It's a different kind of Christmas this year. We smell it in the breeze and we feel it in the air. It is still the time of good cheer, but we are treading between fun and fear, between celebration and introspection, between hugs and kisses and swears and hisses. Instead of decking the halls with boughs of holly, we must be careful, don't get too jolly. As we jingle bells and jingle bells all the way, we must not dispel the cautious way. This year, sport was almost made redundant. Balls and bats were stagnant. Matches and games irrelevant. And the big thing was survival. And all else seemed peripheral. Now we speak revival. Sports is proving vital, as the future now is crucial. But hey, it's still Christmas, and it's still the most wonderful time of the year. Let's celebrate just being here. And since words and thoughts cannot infect or get infected, there is no danger in wishing one and all a safe and happy Christmas from Sports Commentary.